Hello, my name is Michael Smith. I'm the director here at the National Model Aviation Museum, and I'd like to welcome you to another unboxing. We just recently got this package in the mail, and it's another exciting addition to the museum's collection. So we'll go ahead and open it up so everybody can see. This is a Horizon 60 helicopter that has been donated to the museum by Hubert Bitner. Hubert was actually the winner of the very first RC helicopter event when it was an official NATS event, flying this Horizon 60. Well, not exactly this Horizon 60. Unfortunately, that helicopter doesn't exist, but through the generosity of Mark Spies, he was able to give Hubert another kit exactly like what Hubert had flown, and Hubert built it out for us exactly like his helicopter that he flew at that event in 1978. So as I said, an exciting addition to our helicopter collection. We'll be finishing the unboxing and we'll get it assembled, and this summer visitors to the museum will be able to see this as part of our helicopter collection. So thank you to Hubert, thank you to Mark for this wonderful addition.